Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best wireless backup camera for cars on the market, the eWay Wi-Fi magnetic Hitch wireless backup camera. This little gem from eWay is a game changer when it comes to hitching up your trailer or navigating tight parking spots. With its magnetic mount, installation is a breeze. Just stick it on any metal surface, and you're good to go. But what sets this camera apart is its rechargeable battery and Wi-Fi connectivity.
No more messing around with wires or draining your vehicle's battery.
And with its dedicated app, you can view real-time footage right on your smartphone or tablet.
Plus, with its strong waterproof design and infrared night vision, you'll have crystal clear vision even in the darkest of nights. Perfect for those late-night arrivals at the campsite or navigating through unfamiliar terrain.
Don't just take my word for it, customers rave about its ease of use, picture quality, and sturdy construction. And with over 1,700 ratings averaging at 4.1 stars, you know you're getting a reliable product.
So, whether you're hitching up your camper, navigating city streets, or just want some extra peace of mind while backing up, the eWay Wi-Fi magnetic Hitch wireless backup camera has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and as always, happy shopping!